Hi guys, I'm Chef Pooja Dhingra. Welcome back to my channel. So I've been thinking a lot about what I wanted to teach next, and I've been having these cravings for vanilla cake. So I wanted to teach you my super simple, very easy, I know I say this for everything, but it really is easy. It's eggless, it's moist, and it's the most delicious with a cup of coffee or tea vanilla cake. Okay, so these are ingredients, and to start with, I'm going to start with creaming our butter and our sugar. So I'm going to take the butter in a bowl. The butter is nice and soft. I use regular salted butter for all my recipes, so you can use whatever's easily available to you. I'm going to add my vanilla essence. Now again, this is vanilla cake. Vanilla extract, vanilla essence, vanilla bean, best if you have some. It's my pile of used bowls. Okay, and now whisk, and we're going to get ready to exercise. Let's do this. Okay, the idea is to just get the butter nice and soft. As soon as it's soft, I'm adding the vanilla in so that the flavor is much stronger, and then I'm going to add my caster sugar right in, and we're going to cream this for about 2 minutes. Okay, some exercise, okay? So the idea is to get as much air in it so our cake will be nice and soft and fluffy. At this stage, what I'm left with is my flour, okay? I have my baking powder, baking soda and salt, and I have my milk. Alright, so my trick to making this cake is, firstly I add all this into this. You can sift this all together. My flour is already sifted. I like to dry whisk it. So it's a nice dry whisk. Make sure everything gets well incorporated. Okay, now we have a flour mixture and we have a milk. We're going to start with the flour and we're going to end with the flour. So we're going to go flour, milk, flour. Okay, the reason I do this is because every time you add the flour into it, you're activating the gluten protein structure, which makes your cake really tough. By adding the milk, we're breaking down those formations to get a very soft crumb. Let's go. Gently just fold it in like this. Oh, you'll get some dough stuck in the whisk. Just tap it out. Then we're going to add our milk. Time to be very gentle now. Just small circles. You might feel that it's curdling right now, but the minute we add the rest of the flour, it's going to be perfect. Just keep going. And I always drop everything on me. Make sure you're not as clumsy as me. Okay. So, like I said, you will feel like it's looking like paneer right now, that it's a bit curdled. Don't worry, it is going to plan. When we add the rest of the flour, it's going to be okay. Okay. Told you. Just have to trust me. So my batter is ready, and I'm going to transfer this into a 6-inch baking tin. This is what I have. Use any tin that's convenient that you have, handy. I like to use this one. My ring doesn't have a base, so I just put foil in it. For this one, I don't really need to grease the tin at all. I just put it in. If you're using a regular tin, please do grease it. It's slightly thicker, the batter, but the crumb is so good. Okay. Right. Just gonna spread this around. Can't wait to eat this with a nice cup of coffee. So our cake is ready. It's gonna go into the oven at 165 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. Every oven is different, so please do the toothpick test. Put a toothpick in. If it comes out clean, it's ready. Let's go. Alright guys, so my cake is out of the oven and it looks absolutely delicious. I love how the texture is. It is an eggless cake, but at the same time it is quite soft and nice and fluffy. Okay, so I'm going to take my knife, make a little moment of truth. Ta-da! Okay, this is my favorite part. I love doing this. All right. Just move it here. Okay, doesn't that look beautiful? Look at that! I like it. It's super soft. The crumb is great. I like the color that it has on it. And now, hope you enjoyed this recipe, guys. Happy baking!